This is long time ago when the human corpse so many use vulture to clean it. ใช่นี่เรื่องจริงนะแหลวให้แหลวกินคนนะ vulture eat human being to clean it have so many corpses cannot bury on in a yeah เผามันเยอะเกิน
Too many bodies.
yeah too many body so let the bird eat
Right here. For the many dead bodies which came every day. However, the temple became the main receiving ground for the many dead bodies which became in every day. However, the temple was unable to cope with the large number of dead.
Yeah, exactly.
Some bodies have to be left out in the open area of the
exactly yeah
So you just see a dead body on the ground?
oh yeah and let them eat it yeah the bird just gonna eat it
Vultures began
Vulture.
coming to the temple to devour the dead bodies.
exactly free food that's why the vulture so big look at that the humongous bigger than a turkey almost like a turkey huh vulture they eat human กินคนนอน
That means they might eat us.
it's a buffet human buffet
They eat dead bodies.
yeah ว้านกนี่ไป
Can you go back to Mike?